Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our third video about the existence of God, existence of Almighty Allah. This video is contained the argument which called ontological argument. What is ontology? Ontology means branch of metaphysics dealing with the existing being. It means the existing being had two kinds. First kind necessarily being and second kind is non-necessary beings. Look at the argument. Premise, there are two premises. Premise number one, God is defined as a being that exists necessarily. Almighty Allah is defined as a being that exists necessarily. And premise number two, it is possible to conceive, but our opinion is that it is necessary, it is compulsory to conceive a being that exists necessarily. Conclusion, therefore God exists. Look at the premise 1 and 2. Necessarily being, it is a term of philosophy which called wajibul wujud, and the other term is mumkinul wujud. There are two things, two wujuds, two existence, wajibul wujud, mumkinul wujud. Wajibul wujud, it means necessary to exist. Necessary entity, its existence is necessary. Without this existence, the possible existence, the mumkinul wujud, the creation cannot exist. Therefore, God exists, Almighty Allah exists. This is the third philosophical argument about the existence of God. This is our fourth argument about the existence of God. It is called moral argument. Moral argument means exist morality in this world. The moral values cannot define, cannot explained by naturalism and by chance. Look at the argument. Premise number one, okay, objective moral values. Moral values exist. There is no difference between human. Premise number two, these moral values cannot be explained by naturalism or by chance. Conclusion, therefore, these moral values must have a divine source which is God, Allah. Listen again. Therefore, these moral values, which is objective moral values, which is recognized moral values, nobody can deny this. These moral values must have a divine source which is called Allah Almighty. This is our fourth argument about the existence of God. There is a sense of evil and good. What is the sense? If a person created without any object, without any purpose, why there a concept of evil and good?